Priyanka.
Hello guys, my name is Sandeep and today we are traveling all the way from Hyderabad to Bhubaneswar and we have booked Shamoli Travels. I think from the reviews what we have found that they are a reliable operator. So we will get to know about the journey and the experience so far with Shamoli. Unfortunately, the last experience was not that great for
I would
which
say pathetic.
yeah, for which we will have a dedicated video. So coming back to the point, if you observe, if you observe, that's our boarding point, Miyako. The boarding time is 2:05. That means 2 o'clock nearby. And from last half an hour, I have been trying to track the bus, which is going to come to this particular bus stop for the pickup, but that hasn't moved yet. And unfortunately, when I tried to call them with all of these numbers, even I tried to call these numbers in front of you guys as well, so that you get to know what exactly Shamoli Parivahan services are all about, how pathetic it is. So let me start calling the first number. So that's the first number. And one more thing to note, this number we have been calling from. So we have called these many times to this number. If you check the history of the callers, and they did not bother to pick up the call. Okay, no problem. Let us try calling the second number. So this is the first one which we called 0888 455 4175. Now we'll try 943801105.
Number you have dialed is currently busy. Please try later. మీరు డయల్ చేసిన
So it looks like they are busy now. That one more thing. The number which I have called now, I'm keeping it for records. I have tried calling them a number of times just to understand whether the bus is going to come here or there will be a pickup van. Reason being, I don't see any movement of the bus. Like if you observe the bus movement as well in their app, that's where we are standing. That is our pickup location, and this is where the bus is. And this has been there in the same location from almost more than 2 hours now. I hope it is visible to you guys as well. So how would we get to know whether the bus will be there for the pickup or the pickup van will be allocated for the same, for the boarding? So if you observe, arriving in 11 minutes, let's see the reality of Shamoli Travels with respect to the time punctuality. And let us try to call the third number as well, for which I have called them more than 5 times, I believe, so far. They did not bother to pick up the call. So let us try it out once again in front of you guys as well.
Hi, if you record your name and reason for calling, I'll see if this person is available.
Hello, my name is Sandeep and I wanted to know some details about the boarding of my current for today's journey from Hyderabad to Bhubaneswar.
Thanks, Sandeep. Please stay on the line.
हेलो भैया एक पिकअप था मियाँपुर एक्स रोड से। लेट है? कितना टाइम लेट है भैया? हाँ हाँ भैया, 1 घंटा लेट है। ओके ओके। और भैया लास्ट चीज़, ये गाड़ी यहाँ पे पिकअप करने आएगा या फिर पिकअप वैन आएगा? मियाँपुर एक्स रोड मेट्रो के बाद जो है, हाँ हाँ, बस ही आएगा ना? ठीक है ठीक है, ओके भैया, थैंक यू। So you got to know, right? This is what the reality of Shamoli Travels is all about. They haven't bothered to share any information to us with respect to the boarding. Now again, I am thinking to go back to the hotel and request them, like, it is delayed by an hour. Can you please help me out to spend some time? Anyways, we checked out a little early. Is it feasible? Let us go and check with them. So this is what the problem we have been facing with Shamoli Travels. And you can see the reality here. They did not respond to the calls from more than 2 hours. If they would have responded to the calls beforehand, then I would have taken some time to check out from the hotel. We have entirely paid and cleared everything in the hotel. This is what the bill is. And again we are struggling.
In this hot sun.
Okay. So again we'll see what's gonna happen in next 1 hour. So we'll see to it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.
So in our video you have heard that the bus person, the driver, has confirmed that it will be 1.5 hour or 2 hours late, and in the app they are still shamelessly updating that it is 3 minutes delayed. Horrifying, terrible experience from Shamoli. That is the only word I have. Since it is a daytime, there is no problem for me. And our hotel people are so good that they allowed us to rest for couple more hours and did not allow us to struggle on the road under this heat sun. So we are privileged for our hotel,
Yeah.
but
So it's not
crewed by Shamoli.
it's not a promotion, but this is what the hotel we opted for. I think these guys do have that
Humanity.
humanity, right? ठीक है. So
Hello, as you can see, we have boarded the Shamoli bus.
it is pathetic. It is dirty.
You can see cockroaches coming in and out from this road, which is right above my head. That is part and parcel of the journey. These things are broken. This one is not working. And what do I say about the red bus services even? In order to board operators, what they are doing, I am not sure. If I reverse my flight for 15-20 minutes, what happens and what we went through is, suddenly we thought of calling to Redbus to know about the location of the bus and every other detail. If it has reached our location, will it reach, it is late by 1 hour, 2 hour or 3 hours or so on. We had no clue, and we didn't have any idea that what is going on. So we just called Redbus, and Redbus suddenly informed us the bus has already left the boarding point. Now you can book any other means of transport or any other bus to commute to your destination. And my hands and feet felt numb once again that I have to rebook another bus. I don't know if I'll get a bus or not. I was not sure about anything what's going on in this entire journey. What's the surprise that I have in this journey? What more surprises? And later what happened is, I just ran away from the hotel and walked onto the main road again. So my hotel was 300 meters away from the main road. So I just wrapped my bags and ran from there. Meanwhile, what happened is, I just called the bus operator, and suddenly the bus operator, the bus driver, picked up my call, reaching here, I have to board a flight again. Okay, this because of last night's service, I couldn't manage to go to my hometown as well. I couldn't meet my parents. Nothing could happen because of the delay in the bus, and I couldn't travel at night, being a lonely, vulnerable person in the road. So I couldn't travel last night. So I was thinking that I won't even make out to the flight as well, to reach to the flight as well. That was the different thing running into my head, and I still can't phrase my sentences properly because I am not out of the trauma of losing the bus again. This is all about the Shamoli Parivahan transportation, and in the entire bus we are just 2 persons, and I don't know how many more are yet to board. Again, that shouldn't be my concern, but I don't know at what point of time I'll reach Bhubaneswar and how do I catch a flight. There are 3, 4 flights scheduled consecutively. I don't know how to manage, what to manage, when to manage, anything about this. Now it's very difficult on my behalf to manage things. So I don't know who is going to compensate for my mental breakdown, emotional damage, my safety concerns which I have been through, my unbearable expenses. I don't know who is going to compensate for all this. I just expect answers from Shamoli along with Red Bus. I'm not just targeting Shamoli, I'm also targeting Red Bus into this. I'll keep updating everything what is happening on the way. Thank you. ये
Wow.
हेलो बोलने आया है.
This is how clean Shamoli bus is.
ये हेलो बोलने आया है. And I hate this and I'm allergic to this. This is very common in Hyderabad.
bus was scheduled to leave at around 2 from the boarding point, and by 3 it should have left Hyderabad. Unfortunately, the bus is delayed by 3 hours right from the beginning of the journey, and you can clearly understand the quality of service these guys are trying to provide. So if this is what the condition is from the beginning of the journey, think about it, how much it is gonna delay in next maybe like by the time we reach Bhubaneswar. So it is one of the worst service I have ever experienced. It is basically you can find cockroaches everywhere. Look at the condition of these things. It is so dirty here. Sockets are not working. Look at this blanket.
They are torn.
Zoom in. Do you think this looks clean? How can even someone use it? I think it is not able to zoom. Focus, this is the condition of the blanket.
Unhygienic.
This is how hygienic this bus is. I'm pretty much sure. So the expected time of arrival in Bhubaneswar is 10, but I think we should cross 2 o'clock. And again we will be screwed because of them. My next bus will have to miss. I don't have any other option. Then again we'll have to pass the entire day in
And
Bhubaneswar.
what about the flight? Anyways, we can't go home. How do we board the flight? Have you thought of it?
Yeah, I'm quite concerned about it.
And we have
These
3
guys are-
flights scheduled consecutively.
These guys are so unreliable, you cannot imagine. It's a sincere request and recommendation to everyone
Never board this.
to avoid Shamoli Parivahan. This is what the logo looks like. You guys should avoid this. Instead, go for our local bus operators like Asian Max. I think we
Green line.
have a number of other operators as well.
And we stopped for a tea break again. Chalo. To fix our
We'll
legs.
show you how the. So that's our first rest stop for today. So now the time is 8 o'clock and we have stopped for the dinner break. Let's see how the rest stop look like. Preeti, can you let me know how clean the washrooms were?
No, light was not on. Water was available, but it wasn't clean.
It wasn't clean, and I feel according to the reviews the dhaba is quite expensive and not good as well, but still we will try to show you
What the rest
Haha.
of fooding arrangement is all about.
right. So we can we'll try to share you the menu as well, and then we have our dinner with us.
People may get
We have our dinner. So we will have our dinner just after looking at the menu. And this menu is just for other people, so that they can get to know what exactly the prices are. Huh? Come. Meals 150. क्या क्या है मैं देख ले रहा हूँ. अच्छा that's what the menu looks like. Okay, I think you might have seen the menu. The food looks fairly average, so we'll have our dinner now. Now it's 8:17. We are done with our dinner, and post dinner we are enjoying this.
inside Bailey. What do we have? Buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
The
और उसके साथ ये पैथेटिक वाला सर्विस. ये मुफ्त में मिलता है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, ये वाला जो ढाबा है ना यार, कुछ बैकअप लेके आना। ये श्री होटल साई कृष्णा है, अगर आप देखोगे ये बैकअप लेके कुछ आना बहुत बुरा है, बहुत बुरा है, मतलब बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन, इतना बेकार है ये। वी हैव अ न्यू गो बस हियर इन द रेस्ट स्टॉप and we are checking what exactly the kilowatt it is supporting. We need to go ahead. But what is the kilowatt supported? Now it has started charging energy delivery 0.23 kilowatt hour. Charging power is 80. So now the time is 8:23. We are still awaiting for the drivers, and as usual this will be delayed a little more, given that it is a Shamoli Parivahan. These guys are meant for slow driving, delay departure, delay arrival,
Unpunctual, undisciplined, unhygienic.
Yeah, absolutely. Given that if you see our blog, it is very much clear how clean the buses were. In addition to this, there were small insects roaming around, cockroaches. So
Which I'm pretty much allergic.
तो सोचो कितना साफ रख रहे हैं ये लोग शामली वाले. And I'm pretty much sure tomorrow they are going to delay almost by 4 to 5 hours. Given that again, Shamoli is meant for delay in arrival. ठीक है, thank you so much Shamoli for the delay.
बस
So these are some guests for us. And we are traveling in Shamoli Travels. How clean it is, no? You sleep with cockroaches. Nice. Mosquitoes. I think few animals would have been a little bit. अब निकलेंगे रात में. There's one more important information. Look how fake they are. These tracking related details. Now let me unlock and show you the reality. Now if you observe, let it focus. कर लो भाई.
इसका ये
हाँ
सारा स्टॉप
हाँ. तो if you observe, Suryapet scheduled time was 6 o'clock evening. आप मानोगे नहीं, if you cross check the video, at around 6 it started the journey from Hyderabad. So in short, what I wanted to say, if you are opting for Shamoli, then please be prepared for all such experiences. After all, it is such a great service provider, operator, Shamoli Parivahan, the delayed Parivahan, unpunctual Shamoli Parivahan. Okay, that's a small update. So, good morning from Palasa. So now it is around 6:30, I believe. Let me just cross check the time once again. Yeah, it's around 6:18, and I think the good part of the journey is they have recovered the time. I think it was delayed by almost 6 hours. Now I feel they should be able to reach on time. यार ये रास्ते बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ. I remember in the month of January, I drove all the way from Hyderabad to Bhubaneswar. इडली कैसे?
भाई 50 प्लेट 50 4 पीस घुगनी 50
4 पीस का 50 और डोसा
250 ऑनियन डोसा मसाला डोसा 50 प्लेन डोसा 40 इफ यू वांट एग डोसा दैट इज 70
ओके ठीक है थोड़ा प्लस करके आ रहा है. So that's a rest stop for our Volvo 9600 from Shamali. The worst operator I have ever seen. And this is one more bus which is also coming all the way from Hyderabad. And that is one more bus, Mayuri. तो ये सारे बसेस एक ही जगह रुकते हैं. यहाँ रेस्ट स्टॉप्स टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक इट वाज पैथेटिक. बहुत बुरा था.
ये खेत में फर्टिलाइज़र दान करना अच्छा होता है, विच मैक्सिमम पीपल डू.
दैट इज़ द ओनली ऑप्शन लेफ्ट नो. कसम से. और देखो ये भी आ रहा था भुवनेश्वर ये से हैदराबाद से.
तो वाया पलासा जाता है ताकि पलासा का भी पैसेंजर उठा ले.
हाँ, पता है मुझे ना अपना गाड़ी बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ मैं. काश यहाँ से एटलीस्ट मुझे कोई पता है यहाँ पे अगर कोई ले आता ना गाड़ी में यहीं पे उतर जाता. मैं खुद चला के जाता घर तक. नेक्स्ट टाइम अब मैं ये से नहीं आऊँगा, बस से तो नहीं आऊँगा.
ट्रेन से आएंगे हम.
ट्रेन इज स्टिल फाइन. नहीं तो फिर अपना ट्रैवल्स संदीप ट्रैवल चलेगा जिसमें सिर्फ हम ही लोग का फैमिली बैठेंगे. और ड्राइवर एक ही.
मैं डर
नहीं बाबा आज का सपना बहुत डरावना था.
आज का सपना मेरा भी डरावना.
मैं नहीं बता सकता आप लोगों को. आई एम सो सॉरी. थोड़ा सा पर्सनल है और कुछ अच्छा नहीं था इसलिए बता नहीं रहा हूँ. कुछ अच्छा सपना होता तो ज़रूर बताता. इन द मीन टाइम यू कैन एन्जॉय दीज रोड्स. काश टाइम लैप्स का टाइम होता. बहुत सुंदर से रोड होते हैं यार. ऑल द वे टिल भुवनेश्वर रोड्स वर वेरी गुड. सबसे बढ़िया पता है जब भी आप विशाखापट्टनम से आ रहे हो ना श्रीकाकुलम तक का रास्ता इतना अच्छा रहता है ना. इट इज़ 6 लेन. आप आराम से 110 मेंटेन कर सकते हो सेफली. यार मैं तो अभी बस समहाउ पहुंचना चाहता हूँ घर नहीं भुवनेश्वर एटलीस्ट.
ग्लास के वजह से ना ब्लर हो जा रहा है.
साफ नहीं करते हैं. So in Odia we have the Ojra.
it travels to Yochra. I think for our Odia viewers, they should be able to understand what I am speaking about. And in Hindi, बहुत गंदा कचड़ा लोग भी कचड़े हैं। लेकिन somehow एक सच बात है, हमारे जो नाइट वाले ड्राइवर थे ना, वो इतने सिंपल और इतना मस्त चलाए ना, you cannot imagine. Because of him, we are delayed by maybe like 1 hour max. I think you might have seen like we started almost like 3 hours with almost like 3 hours of delay. तो आप सोचो रात भर में 3 घंटे ऑलमोस्ट मेकअप कर दिया और इतने हम्बल थे ना. इफ समवन आस्क फॉर एनीथिंग, लेट्स से कि मुझे वॉशरूम जाना है, एक बार वो पूछते भी नहीं थे कि मतलब अभी क्यों जाना है. जैसे अभी आप किसी और ऑपरेटर मतलब इसी ऑपरेटर पे ही जाओगे ना, कोई और भी ड्राइवर होंगे ना, आपको गाली देखो भगा देते हैं. जब टाइम होगा तब हम बुलाएंगे. वो बोलते थे बस 1 मिनट दे दो, मैं साइड कर देता हूँ. मैं थ्रू आउट द जर्नी देखूँ वो 2 बार रुके हैं 2 लोगों के लिए. तो हैट्स ऑफ टू दैट ड्राइवर. और जितने ड्राइवर थे जो, और ये ट्रैवल्स तो आप क्लियरली इग्नोर करो. इससे बेहतर है कि यू टेक अ ट्रेन ऑप्ट फॉर विशाखा और एनी अदर ऑप्शन, वो बहुत बेटर है. या फिर कोई और भी हमारे उड़ीसा के बहुत सारे ऑपरेटर्स हैं, उनको आप प्रेफर करें रादर देन ये बंगाली ऑपरेटर को लेकर. ये लोग बहुत अनएथिकल है, इसलिए मैं इतना चढ़ा हूँ. चढ़ रहे हैं.
अभी हम घाट उतर रहे हैं.
जब भी इस जगह को दिखता हूँ ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मुझे अपना पास्ट याद आता है जब मैं राइड कर रहा था. इसी जगह पे मैं रुकता था, देखता था, थोड़ा एंजॉय करता था ये व्यू, उसके बाद निकलता था.
You consider this halfway to Bhubaneswar?
Yes. So whenever I start my journey from Berhampur, this is the first stop I usually prefer taking.
We'll not find mangoes like last time we found.
Sorry?
We'll not find any mangoes this
No,
time.
it should be there. Eventually we'll get more. We are on the way to Balugaon. अब लास्ट टाइम हम मीट करेंगे फिर से once we reach home. क्या है? Finally, now it's 11:30. We have reached Bhubaneswar, and I'm seriously hoping not to board this bus anytime soon. In fact, मैं ये बस बोर्ड ही नहीं करना चाहता हूँ कभी भी.
I don't want to travel in this with this operator ever again. Neither I allow any of my near and dear to travel with the same people, because I know they will be harassed like anything with respect to the timing. They don't understand the safety and security of women. They ask us to stay from night 1 o'clock till morning 5 o'clock on the highway for waiting for them. I
But
don't know what's cooking
staff-
in between, so I don't want to take this.
पर रात के बस के ड्राइवर बहुत अच्छे थे. दैट वाज द मोस्ट पॉजिटिव पार्ट. दैट वाज द पॉजिटिव पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी. और सब बेकार था. चलो, ये हमने जो टिकट बुक किया था, अगर आप देखोगे the dropping point was inside Baramunda bus terminal between 40 to 44 I believe. पर हमको अगर आप देखोगे ये है सारे टर्मिनल्स, ठीक है, 44, 43, 41, 40. आप यहाँ पे देखोगे कहीं पे भी शामली नहीं है, क्योंकि दिस इज़ कम्प्लीटली फेक एंड मिसगाइडिंग कस्टमर्स, कि लोगों को पता चलेगा कि लोग यहाँ पे वो ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग. तो इस तरह से चीट करता है शामोली ट्रैवल्स. हमें एक्चुअली बाहर अगर आप लास्ट वीडियो मतलब लास्ट शॉट भी देखोगे उस पर क्लियरली मेंशन था कि उसमें आपको क्लियरली पता चलेगा कि ये बस स्टैंड के बाहर हमको ड्रॉप करता है. तो इनके भरोसे कभी मत कुछ करना. ना इनका पिकअप सही है, ना इनका ड्रॉप सही है, ना पिकअप टाइम सही है, ना ड्रॉप टाइम सही है. So this is what Shamoli service is all about.